The East Coast is bracing for Hurricane Florence, and West Michigan is on the way to help.
A Walker firefighter is among those gearing up to be a part of teams equipped to get in on rescues in fast-moving waters that could put people in harm's way.
He is getting on the road tonight, wondering what he'll experience once he gets to the destination.
You could see us churning right toward North Carolina.
The forecast has Hurricane Florence on track for disaster. While some get out of the storm's way, others, like Lieutenant Dean England, are headed right toward it.
They're calling just about every resource they can get.
England is part of the Michigan Task Force, a group of emergency responders from across the state prepared to deploy in times of disaster. In this case,
A 12-day deployment, but who knows?
England is with the Walker Fire Department. He is specially trained in swift water rescue, which could put him in the center of some of the more dangerous life-saving efforts. Are you scared?
I guess the short answer is probably not scared, just apprehensive and nervous. I don't know exactly what we're going to be getting into.
Walker's fire chief shares some of that trepidation.
If he were to have something happen to him, God forbid the worst, that would be some big shoes to fill.
England has deployed before with the task force. They set out to help in Florida for Hurricane Irma. But that storm was less menacing than forecast, and the help wasn't needed.
I think we dodged a bullet there, but I don't think that's going to happen this time. This isn't going to go out in the ocean and go away. This is definitely going to hit landfall and definitely be disastrous for everybody involved.
England is a husband, father, and grandfather, and he's preparing for the worst of what Mother Nature can do.
It's going to be pretty tough to see what we've already been told. It's probably going to be pretty bad.
But he and his colleagues are doing it for that very passion that brought him into this line of work in the first place.
We're here to save lives, and that's what we want to do. That's our ultimate mission.
The fire chief says the work Dean is setting out to do won't just benefit the people in the Carolinas. He says that the training and the experience he gets will benefit the fire department here and benefit the public as well, that will experience the fruits of what they learn.
Yeah, so wonderful to see all of this that they're doing.
We wish them all the best.
Certainly.